Trading doesn't have to feel stressful or complicated. The smartest way to start is not by making huge trades. It is by building a simple system that helps you learn, improve, and grow with confidence. The safer approach is simple. Use small positions, avoid leverage at the beginning, and follow a clear plan before every trade. This gives you more time to learn and helps you make better decisions without unnecessary pressure. For many beginners, swing trading can be a great place to start. Swing trading means holding a position for a few days or weeks. You don't need to watch charts all day. You can wait for a good opportunity, enter with a plan, and give the trade time to develop. One of the best beginner habits is keeping your risk small. For example, with a $1,000 account, you might risk only $10 on one trade. This means every trade becomes a learning opportunity. You can test your strategy, review your results, and improve without putting too much pressure on one decision. Start with large liquid stocks or ETFs. Liquid simply means there are many buyers and sellers, making it easier to enter and exit the trade. You don't need one perfect trade. You need a simple process you can repeat with confidence.